Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure your Binance account from hackers and unauthorized access, follow these step-by-step instructions for maximum protection. Step 1. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, using Google Authenticator or SMS by going to Security Settings and activating this critical security feature. Step 2. Use Authenticator app-based 2FA rather than SMS 2FA when possible, as Authenticator apps are more secure and less vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. Step 3. Create a strong, unique password with at least 12 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special symbols that you don't use elsewhere. Step 4. Enable anti-phishing code in your Binance security settings to verify that emails are genuinely from Binance rather than scam attempts. Step 5. Whitelist withdrawal addresses by enabling address management, which requires 24-hour waiting period before withdrawing to new addresses, preventing quick theft. Step 6. Set up device management by reviewing authorized devices regularly and removing any unfamiliar devices from your account access list. Step 7. Enable withdrawal whitelist that restricts withdrawals to only pre-approved addresses, adding another layer of protection against unauthorized transfers. Step 8. Regularly review account activity and login history in your Binance security dashboard to detect suspicious access attempts or unauthorized actions quickly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.